Have you ever found yourself keeping content in draft longer than necessary because hitting publish just feels too daunting? Brightspot's version history widget provides an easy way so you can publish quickly with confidence. Similar to revision history found in Google Docs or Word, Brightspot's version history acts as an undo or reset button for your content. I'm going to show you how you can use version history, not just for correcting mistakes, but also for temporary changes to your content. Let's start with this article I updated with the festive 4th of July theme. Now that the holiday is passed, I like to restore the article to its original appearance. By expanding this version history widget right here on the right, I can open up this widget and see all of the past events to this piece of content. As you can see, I've named one of these versions before I made my holiday updates, so it's easy for me to identify the article's original state. Selecting this previous version allows me to compare it to the current live piece of content, so it's easy to see exactly what has changed. And to do that, I'm going to click, and then I'm going to press compare to live. And here you can see all of the changes that I made before and after. I'm going to then close that out. This is actually a feature I use all the time when reviewing my past publishing events. Now that the 4th of July is passed, I want to revert the article back to its original, less festive state. To do that, I'm going to click on my older version, which I have selected right now. I'm going to click this Create a Revision button. I'm going to then click Workflow and publish it back to its original state without the American flag. And now we are back to our original state, as you can see. Whether content was published by mistake or simply needs to be reverted after a temporary update, version history lets you restore a previous version in just a few clicks. Next time you're making updates in Brightspot, remember that version history is there when you need it.